Oh hey guys, and welcome to the channel. Dano the drone pilot here at Crossing the Ocean for Love, where we help to bring loved ones together no matter how far apart. We can find a way to bridge the distance between you and them. For most of you, it's only a matter of time until you can be together with your loved ones again. Sometimes waiting causes us pain and anxiety, so stay tuned for relaxing drone footage to help pass your time. For the rest of you, maybe your situation is a little more complex. Please drop a comment below and we can tailor a video towards helping you bridge that distance. Remember this, the world is a big place, but love is the strongest force in the universe. And with love, anything can be done. Today's video is a very exciting one, as it is episode number 1 of Crossing the Ocean for Love. If you are apart from your loved ones and waiting for that special someone to come to you, it would be appreciated if you hit that like and subscribe button and join us on a journey as we explore the great wonders that Ontario has to offer. Today we are at the Bluffs in the Scarborough district of Toronto, Ontario, Canada. The Scarborough Bluffs form much of the eastern portion of Toronto's waterfront. The Bluffs' primary composition is of silt, clay, and sand that had accumulated on the bed of Lake Ontario before the last ice age. Over a long period of time, the escarpment was naturally created through a combination of sedimentation, erosion, and the force of wind, all of which work together to form these massive cliffs. The Scarborough Bluffs' highest peaks sit at a towering 300 feet above the coastline and spans over 15 kilometers. The escarpment gives a proper view of the city's beautiful harborfront and downtown Toronto's impressive skyline, which is home to over 3,625,000 residents. Toronto, the capital city to Ontario, also boasts accommodations to 26.5 million tourists every year. I would like to share this with you. I can only be as great as my family and friends believe I can become. It is with their support and emotional backing that I am able to find the courage and energy to create inspirational content like this. I will dedicate my heart and soul into this channel and helping others bridge the distance between them and their loved ones. This is also a way I can use art to navigate a way through the emotional roller coaster we call life. The highs, the lows, the turns, the twists, the ups and downs, the good, the bad, and definitely the ugly. Here we see St. Augustine Seminary of Toronto. Founded in 1913, St. Augustine was one of the first seminaries built in Canada to form priests. The seminary was designed by Arthur W. Holmes, who devoted most of his career to designing many Roman Catholic churches in Ontario and Nova Scotia. The funding to build the seminary was donated by Eugene O'Keefe, a co-owner of one of the largest brewers in Canada, and was called the O'Keefe Brewery Company. In 1908, O'Keefe donated $400,000 to the builders of St. Augustine Seminary, which is in 2025 equivalent to $15,228,000. Our commitment to you is releasing one video a week with content taken from the suggestions you post in the comments. Places, topics, the choice is yours, as this is as much your channel as it is ours. Maybe you're planning to move to Ontario, Canada, and you would like to see some footage of the city you're moving to? Let us know in the comments below. Or perhaps you want some information you need documents to help you bridge the distance for love. Leave us a message and we can do some digging and research just for you. I do truly hope, above all, you can find solace and tranquility in this video. Best wishes until we meet again, my friends. This is Dano, the drone pilot, signing off. Thanks for watching another episode of Crossing the Ocean for Love. Best wishes to you all.
Bye.